Hello everyone, this is Skylights Energy. We are an IT based company for the electrical industry. We provide solutions for the electrical industry. This is for control panel manufacturers. This is called Switchonomy AI. What it does, you can drop your SLD here and get your SLD analyzed. You can see your voltage, main incomer, and switch gears bus bar, and you get the table having incoming and outgoing feeders. You get the details of bus bar, panel information, connected equipments, and so on. After analyzing, you can add this to one of your existing projects, which will be created. Now, let us give a continue. This is the quotation, select it. And now you can see this project table. You can edit your panel configuration here as per your client requirement, make preferences, panel form, bus bar type. The price list will be updated regularly so you can add whichever the make you want. So you can also see there is a compliance documentation here, and coming here you can see the incoming feeders, specifications, quantity, make, and catalog. And these are the outgoing feeders. As you can see, outgoing MCCB and power cables, control wirings, and numerical relays, and much more. In this table, and after analyzing your single line diagram, you need to add it to the quotation. By adding it, you can see the card table will be generated below. This is a card table where you can change, edit, or custom your discount. You can add feeders, relays, or you can remove feeders from this section. And by clicking generate diagram button, we get to see diagram generated below, and it will be in 2D diagram. These are the info from card table, which we have seen earlier. In the top left corner, if you don't want these compliances, you can just click the checkbox in the table and delete it. And if you wait for a few seconds, the GA diagram will be generated here. And as you can see, this is the GA diagram created form. This SLD we uploaded, and if you click create, this project is created in the projects. Now what it does, simply we need to, once the single line diagram is analyzed, the price, the make, the preferred, the form type, this SLD AI analyzes the data and renders in high accuracy. And you can also customize this 2D diagram later. It has been done. Click done. Now we need to go to the projects. As you can see, this is the project that we have added to. This is the main panel. We need to click here, and we can export this into quotation or BOM. By clicking this checkbox, we can export this into quotation or to the BOM. By clicking quotation, we can able to see the quotation with the header and footer image. You can add it while creating your profile. You can see the from to info here. You can also customize this quotation by adding fabrication cost, material cost, and miscellaneous cost. By adding, you can see these things. Also, you can customize your general description like LT description, technical deviations, terms and conditions. You can also customize by clicking this. And if you click the print, you can also take photocopy. Also, you can export it to the Excel. Now let's come to the bill of material now. Let's click the BOM, and BOM will appear. It is simple to customize everything in this format. It also comes with our header image and footer image. We can see everything about this panel has and with the amount generated. By clicking or unclicking the checkbox, you can show or hide the total amount. You can take total amount, the X works price, and just send the material cost and fabrication cost with the make and catalog number with the quantity. Or if you don't want to show material cost, fabrication cost, and just with the catalog and the make, you can show like this. Also, you can customize the general description, terms, and conditions here, as we have seen in the quotation. If you want to know more about Switchonomy AI, you can reach out through WhatsApp or mail given below in the description. Thank you for watching.